Alright people, Mosha again, coming at you live and direct on the beach in Sosua from MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge. And watching now we have two beautiful people.
Hello, hello.
This gentleman is Dominican. Tell the people your name.
My name is Joel.
Joel from Dominican Republic. And look at his beautiful wife, a Jamaican girl.
Yes.
Look how she pretty, look on the face. Look on the smile. He married to a Jamaican girl. So you know what that means? Dominican and Jamaica, we are the same people. Look at that couple. So explain to the people how excited you was when you found original Jamaican restaurant on the beach in Sosua.
I was 100% excited. Like,
Wow.
I could not believe it. I came here, I'm like, no, the organization, how it was laid out, this has to be a Jamaican owner.
Yeah.
So that I came in here and then Mosha greeted us with open arms and, you know, I got to try this amazing fresh ginger beer and it's beautiful.
It's
So
beautiful.
I'm super excited and still excited, can't believe it.
There you go. And her husband was just sitting here chilling. Now tell the people what your experience with Jamaica and how you like the decor at the restaurant.
You have everything really set up in the right way and the right place.
Yes,
clean,
yes,
nice.
yes.
And the food is amazing.
Yeah, so you
The
hear,
drinks are good too.
we're not faking. You hear his accent, you know he's Dominican.
Yes.
And I'm gonna tell you guys something. I don't mean to cut him, but Dominican people, them love Jamaican people.
Yeah.
Cause you see what I want you to do? Him grab one from a pretty girl from Jamaica. You see that? Him grab her. Him say, no, I'm gonna wait. All right. And you didn't tell the people your name, pretty girl.
My name is Cordelia.
Cordelia. You hear it? You hear even the name organized. It have all the name of all music on it. Cordelia.
That's right,
I wonder-
Cordelia Brown. Why make your head so red?
Ah!
Jamaica.
Cordelia Brown, make your head so
What?
red.
Yes.
Your head so red. Well, they have to go back because they're living in Canada. And I told them I want to put them up on my boob tube so that people can see our vibration in Jamaica. Say, out of many, we are one people.
Yeah.
And this is my prediction. In the next 10 years, you're going to see a big migration of Dominican to Jamaica and Jamaica to Dominican Republic.
Nice.
Watch and see what's going to happen because already there are tons of Jamaicans coming to this island directly from Jamaica.
Nice.
And the food is going to permeate this country. So guys, it was my pleasure. Enough respect to you guys and I wish you all the best. One love.